you as soon as you stop chasing.
Okay, happy Vlogmas day 14, everybody. I'm just kidding. I figured I'd give you guys a little haul, if that's what you want to call it. Well, it is a haul, idiot. I went to Hobby Lobby, got some stuff for a project that I have to do, which you guys will probably see me working on tomorrow because it's due on Wednesday, so that's great. So first couple things. Also, I'm on my bed, so just ignore the fact that this is like leaned up. Let me put it on my phone. So the first things that I got was these poster boards. I got 4 of them, cardstock poster boards. What I'm planning on doing is I'm gonna stick them like side by side and then up and down like that. Went to Hobby Lobby. I'll pop a picture like on the screen somewhere what I'm doing so it makes more sense to you guys, but basically I'm just going to take different little wallpaper things and put them all over the board. Little accent pieces, and I chose one particular pattern. So this one's the pattern that I chose. I have this one, which is like, it's very like old antique-y style, which is one of my favorite things. I'm not even sure if I'm going to use them all, but I didn't want to not pick any of them up. So, and then I bought these that are going to go on them as well. It's not as like noticeable on the board, so that's why it's like this, but it's just flowers. It's basically like little yeah, little dried up flowers, if you will, that I can like put on the poster board. So I have those, and then I have these ones. So that's all I got from Hobby Lobby. But tomorrow I have a doctor's appointment, so I may or may not. No, I'll definitely film tomorrow, obviously, but what will I film is the question. I now am going to, I think I'm gonna write a list out of what I need to do tonight that's like due tomorrow. So I have my list. I have to do my 24 days of Luke, my paper on a movie that I've seen, or well, I'm supposed to watch a movie, but I've already seen the movie, so I may not really watch the movie unless I wanna. Oh, didn't Brianna buy that for me? So I can do it. But literature assignment, which to be fair I don't even really know what it is, but it's probably something super simple. Documentary video for my class. I have to edit that video for tomorrow because it's due. And then I have my edit vlogmas, which is this video, and then I have to edit the selection series video that's supposed to go up tomorrow. But as long as I can get it edited before 5, we should be fine, because that's my like regular scheduling tomorrow, just so I'm not stressing myself out. Especially because think about it, like if I'm doing my literature assignment and I don't need to do anything except for turn it in, so I may do that just so I'm not like stressed. Like at least that way I can get the paper, the literature assignment. By the way, before someone asks, yes, I have known about these assignments, and yes, I'm one of those people that like my creative juices flow so much that I don't really know what I'm doing to the last minute. Like I already have it filmed, like it's on my thing. I just have to figure out how I want it technically edited. So he doesn't expect us to be freaking Christopher Nolan, okay? That's a director, that is not an editor. Oh, speaking of which, anxiety medicine. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna do this really quick and then yeah. Hey cutie pies, I forgot to record a outro because I was too busy doing homework and everything yesterday, but I'm making up for it because I did a lot of recording today. So I got you prepared. I got you. Anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you for Vlogmas Day 15. Why do I always get confused? Is it Vlogmas Day? Yes. Bye.